Welcome back. Busy parents, listen up. If you're looking for ways to save time and money when packing school lunches for the kids, this one is for you.
Yep, lifestyle expert Sherri French from @Mom joins us once more with some awesome tricks, tips, hacks, whatever you want to call them. Hi, Sherri. Good morning.
Trips to store. Hey, Sherri.
This is a whole lot, but you guys really have to pay attention with the kids going back to school.
Okay, we're listening. I promise.
Focused.
All right, ice packs, right? So usually I would use an ice pack from the freezer that I would put in my cooler. Too big, doesn't fit in the lunchbox. I've got 3 ways to make at-home ice packs. The first one, the drink box, right? You're always putting that in your kids' lunch. Throw it in the freezer the night before. It will thaw by the time they're ready to eat. Grapes, put those into a plastic bag. Put those into the freezer the night before. They also will thaw when you take them out in the morning to put them in the bag by lunchtime. But this is my favorite. You're going to take just a new sponge that you have, I know, underneath your sink, put it into a plastic bag. You're going to soak it with water, put it in, same thing, the night before in the freezer. This has been out for about 2 hours on my counter. It's still not unfrozen, but if it's in the lunchbox, it's going to last again through the day till the kids are ready to eat, to keep everything cool until lunchtime.
And much smaller, right? Because you're right, those packs are usually so big. And you know, my kids don't love sushi, but it'd be kind of fun to give them a sushi sandwich. That's a tongue twister. What do you got?
I was the kid that threw away my tomato and mayonnaise sandwich. Do not tell my mother. So I know my kids did it when I was packing sandwiches. So this is a fun wrap or sandwich sushi. Grab a piece of bread. Grab your rolling pin and you're going to flatten this bread. You'll see it's pretty flat. I'm then going to put whatever your kid's favorite lunch item on a sandwich is. So Annika likes turkey and mayo. You'll see me flattening it there. I put the mayo on, I put the turkey on, and then all you're going to do, because it's so thin, it will roll up and stay together super easy. Cut it into, thirds or just a half. Put it into a plastic container, and it's a fun way for your kids to eat their sandwich and hopefully not throw it away.
Oh, that's super cute. Yeah.
It's a sushi roll sandwich.
Right? Easy, guys.
I like that.
Super easy.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
All right, what's up next?
All right, the infamous drink box. It doesn't matter if you're 8 or 38 or 58. If you put the straw in, it always comes out and spills everywhere. No more. Take your straw and have your kids just pop the sides. So not only it's going to let some air into the top, you'll see me. This is the spill, I think, right here, right? It always spills. But what's going to happen? Take the sides, hold them up. So it's a way that your kids can actually hold their drink box, and that air release will not let it spill. Trust me, it really, really works.
Oh,
I never knew
I don't
this
have to trust you, but Sherri, you gave me this tip a few years ago, and I've been using it forever. It does work, and the girls even would request it. They were like, "Make sure I get the wings, so they can hold their wings."
I've never done that.
But
Perfect.
I got
The
so
wings.
tired of that. Every single time you put the straw in, they would grab
Never
it,
fails.
and they'd squirt everywhere, right?
Goes everywhere.
The wings saved that. Thank you.
The wings
thank you.
for the win. Yes. All right, so we got chips and pretzels. That's kind of a staple in a lot of lunches.
Yeah, well, but again, as a mom, I'll usually go buy the 20-pack of the small bags, pay a lot more. So when you buy the larger bags, you're saving money as you split them. Now, I always did do that part, buy the big bags, put chips in Annika's lunch. But you know what? She'd come home and said, "Mom, they're all crushed." Here's a great hack. When you put it in that plastic bag, you're just going to leave a little bit of it open, and you're going to blow some air into it. And then close it up. So what happens, this becomes a cushion when you put it into that lunchbox.
Never tried that one before.
Yeah.
And what about when some of the fruit, sometimes they don't eat it because it doesn't look good. Like sometimes those sliced apples go brown.
Yeah, this one is life-changing. This is my favorite one because Annika was, "Hey, I'm not eating it. It's brown." Because I would always cut it in quarters, throw it in the bag, and it would be brown. Great hack to make a tic-tac-toe apple. You're only going to make 4 cuts. So watch this here. You're going to grab your apple. You're going to cut down side 1. You're going to hold it back together. You're going to cut down side 2, put it back together, and then you're going to turn and cut on the other 2 sides that will have, thirds, put it back together, and it's like a jigsaw puzzle, guys, but super easy. And then once it's all together, grab an elastic band, put it around the middle, and you'll see at the top, it looks like tic-tac-toe. I've had these apples in my fridge for 3 days. They are not brown yet.
Oh, good to know. Yeah, you're right.
And you've got bite-sized pieces, right? You've got bite-sized pieces for the kids.
Love it.
We put a little bit of like lime juice
Yeah,
on there too.
I've heard that
Sometimes
too.
they'll change the flavor a little bit though. They get a little bit tart, but for the most part that'll work for you. So I have some great advice there. Let's eat.
Sounds good to me.
Okay.
All right, so one more. Again, I have always done this one. And again, for you guys getting ready to go to school, when you're grilling, so we're still grilling at this house and probably will be through December, anything you're making. So Annika loves the chicken that we grilled last night, peppers. Even if I make spaghetti, Annika does not mind if it's cold. So yes, you can put it in a thermos to keep it warm, but whatever you have leftovers, do not toss them and do not leave them in your fridge for a week. Put them in your kids' lunches. And I love it as a main, because I'm always struggling. What am I giving Annika today for lunch? But use those leftovers from the night before.
Perfect, Sherri. Thank you so much for the time. As always, great lunch ideas, great ideas all the time coming from Sherri French. You can head over to her Instagram. It's called @MomHint. That's the place you want to go. Instagram @MomHint.